The iMOW Robotic Lawnmower doesn't just mow your lawn. It also provides fully automatic lawn care tailored to your garden. There are a number of iMOW models to choose from. You'll need to decide which one is most suitable for your garden. You'll also need to decide whether you feel comfortable installing it yourself, or whether you want a STIHL Approved Dealer to carry out the installation for you. To decide which iMOW model is most suitable, you need to take into account the lawn area or areas, trees, obstacles, corridors, ponds, features, and the steepness of any slopes. iMOW can cater for slopes up to 45%. If you have lots of features in your garden, or perhaps a complicated lawn design, we recommend discussing your installation with a STIHL Approved Dealer. They can help you decide which iMOW is right for you and also offer a tailored installation. iMOW is ideal if you want a perfectly tended lawn at all times, but not all gardens are suitable. You need to have a space of 1 metre from open water such as ponds, streams or swimming pools. If you have young children, pets or other animals in your garden, you should also consider how a robotic mower would fit into your lifestyle. Our STIHL Approved Dealers can give you the best advice on this. The iMOW operates within a perimeter wire. This acts as a boundary so the iMOW cannot go outside it. It will only mow inside this area. When you install the iMOW, you peg out the perimeter wire using fixing pins, so the install is completely customised to your garden. The perimeter wire sits on the soil surface, but is quickly covered by the grass growing around it, so you don't see it. If you would prefer a buried cable, many of our STIHL Approved Dealers have cable laying machines. To install an iMOW, you'll need an outside power socket, a suitable area for a docking station where the iMOW charges with space either side, and an installation kit which contains fixing pins and a perimeter wire. You'll need to measure the lawn area and perimeter of your garden to help decide on the model that is right for you, and to calculate how much wire you'll need for the install. You can use Google Maps to calculate the lawn area and perimeter of your garden. On a PC, just zoom into your garden, right-click and select Measure Distance and map out the perimeter. You could use an alternative online mapping tool, or you can also use a measuring wheel, which may be easier if you have a curved lawn. This will give you an idea of the most suitable robotic mower and how much perimeter wire and fixing pins you'll need. For big gardens with large lawn areas, we recommend the RMI 632 robotic mower. It has a 28 cm cutting width, which is perfect for large gardens and can cover a mowing area of up to 5,000 square metres depending on the model you choose. Slopes aren't a problem either. The RMI 632 can handle gradients of up to 45%. That's a 45 cm rise in a length of 100 cm. For small and medium-sized gardens, we recommend the RMI 422 robotic mower. It has a 20 cm cutting width, which is ideal for smaller lawns and gardens with lots of twists and turns. It can cover a mowing area of up to 1,700 square metres, depending on the model you choose. And again, slopes aren't an issue for the RMI 422. It can handle lawns with a gradient between 35 to 40%. That's a 35 to 40 cm rise over a length of 100 cm. To install the iMOW, you will require perimeter wire, fixing pins and wire clips. These are sold separately from the iMOW as each installation is different. These parts can be purchased individually or as part of our installation kit packages. For small to medium-sized lawns, we recommend Installation Kit S with 150 metres of perimeter wire. For larger lawns, we recommend Installation Kit L, which has 400 metres of perimeter wire. For smaller mowing areas with a perimeter wire length of less than 80 metres, you will also need to install an AKM 100 suppressor. In a small mowing area, where the perimeter wires are closer together, the iMOW may get confused. The AKM 100 helps reduce the strength of the signal coming from the perimeter wire so that the iMOW can operate more effectively. Both the RMI 422 and RMI 632 have a lot in common and share many features. They are intelligent robotic mowers with dynamic mowing plans. This means they adapt their mowing and battery charging times automatically based on factors like rainfall. You give iMOW an active time frame to work within, and it automatically works out how long it needs to work for within those times. If it rains on Monday, for example, it may make up the time later in the week. The maximum amount of time that an iMOW will need to complete its weekly mowing plan is 50 hours, so it won't be mowing 24/7 either. If the default mowing plan doesn't suit you or your lifestyle, you can change both the mowing times and the active times to work around you. Once this is done, iMOW will then get on with your lawn care. The iMOW is fitted with an impact sensor, which detects fixed obstacles and allows the robotic mower to move around them when it comes into close proximity. This is designed for unexpected objects like chairs or garden furniture. Your installation should take into account fixed objects like trees. It's also fitted with a rain sensor, so the iMOW is able to detect when it is raining and can change its mowing plan to protect your lawn. All iMOW robotic lawn mowers are equipped with an alarm and PIN code. The iMOW C models have the added benefit of app control. With the iMOW app, which can be downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store, you can amend settings and mowing plans, send iMOW out to mow, and send it back to its dock from wherever you are. You can also check its status and see if it is mowing, charging, or inactive. There is also a help and FAQ section in the app. To start using the STIHL iMOW app with C models, contact your supplying STIHL dealer. They will need the 9-digit serial number of the iMOW and your email address to set up the account. The iMOW installation assistant is built into the robotic mower and can lead you through the process of installing and programming the iMOW so you can set it up yourself. Simple installations are straightforward to perform. Just follow our installation instruction video on the STIHL GB YouTube channel. Again, for complicated installations, we recommend you speak to a STIHL Approved Dealer who can install your iMOW for you. For more information about our range of iMOW robotic mowers, visit imow.co.uk.